Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nancy and Apron. Quick, easy chicken Alfredo bow tie pasta. Want to know how? Come on. The first thing I'm going to do is take a box of chicken broth and put it in our pan, and then I'm going to fill it up up to just to the little metal where the handles are. I'm going to fill it up to there with some water. Now put that on the burner and let it start boiling. I don't know why it bubbled, it just decided it wanted to. If you don't have any chicken broth, and if you have some of the bouillon cubes, anything like that, works fine. And if you don't have that, that's also fine. Just use water. You don't have to. That just gives it a little extra flavor. Now, what I have here is some chicken that we grilled last week, and we didn't eat all of it. So I sliced it up and put it in the freezer. And we're going to use this leftover chicken. You can use a rotisserie chicken. You can use canned chicken. Or you can boil it. However you want to do your chicken. But this is going to be quick and easy. That's why I'm using this chicken today. Now I'm not going to salt that because my broth was not low sodium. We're going to get this going to a boil, and then we're going to follow the directions on the box of this bow tie pasta. Once it comes to a boil, I'm going to boil it for 13 minutes. And then I'm going to use the classic Alfredo sauce in the jar. So once this gets boiling, I'll be right back. And that, my friends, is all there is to it. I did heat the chicken up in the microwave. You can put it in with your liquid to heat it up in that manner if you want to. But I just went ahead and put this one in the microwave. But look at that. Absolutely going to be a delicious meal. Quick and simple. If you all have not subscribed to my channel yet, I hope that you will. Click that thumbs up. Let me know how much you like this recipe. If you try it, please leave me a comment. Subscribe. Ring that bell so you know each time we put new content on. Time to eat supper. As my dad would holler, bread and butter come to supper. Come on. See y'all next time. Bye.